Ever find yourself stuck trying to figure out English idioms? Textbooks can be dull, and memorizing long lists is no fun. But what if there was a fun, easy way to learn those tricky phrases? Join us as we dive into everyday conversations filled with fun and easy to understand idioms and learn how to use them like a native speaker. Break the ice. To start a conversation or make people feel more comfortable.
I always feel so awkward when meeting new people.
I get that. Sometimes telling a funny story can help break the ice.
That's a good idea. I'll try that next time.
Take it with a grain of salt, meaning don't believe everything you hear.
I heard a rumor that the company is moving to a new city.
I take it with a grain of salt. You never know with rumors.
Burn the midnight oil. To stay up late working on something.
I am so tired today.
You look exhausted. What have you been up to?
I've been burning the midnight oil trying to finish this project.
Hit the nail on the head. To say something exactly right.
I think the problem with the project is the deadline.
Yeah, you've hit the nail on the head. We need more time to do it right.
Bite the bullet. To do something difficult or unpleasant that you've been avoiding.
I really don't want to go to the dentist tomorrow.
I know, but you've got to bite the bullet and just do it. It'll be over soon.
Throw a wrench in the works. To cause something to go wrong or stop working.
Everything was going smoothly until now.
What happened?
Well, a client threw a wrench in the works by changing the requirements at the last minute.
Under the weather, feeling sick.
You don't look so good today.
I think I'm feeling a bit under the weather. I might need to rest.
A piece of cake. Something that's very easy to do.
This assignment looks so hard.
Don't worry. It's actually a piece of cake. You'll finish it in no time.
Let the cat out of the bag. Reveal a secret or surprise.
I was planning a surprise party for Sarah.
Uh-oh, looks like the cat's out of the bag. She just walked in.
Once in a blue moon, something that happens very rarely.
Do you ever get to relax?
Honestly, once in a blue moon, I'm always working.